Okay, today we'll be looking at the Mopar oil filter, number MO-090. And you can get this at Walmart for $6.37. So let's get started. It looks like it has a, you gotta glue the nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration of 90 here. Okay, let's start with the box. You have this nice illustration on here. Look at this. Looks like it has a stamped leaf spring, metal end caps, inner core with holes, metal caps. Looks like it has an upper bypass valve. Hey, we don't even have to bother opening this filter up. We can just look at the picture. Hey, let's skip the video and go on to right here. No, I don't think so. Let's open it up and see what she looks like. Date code 006112. Made in USA. She has 8 inlet holes. And I see a metal core there with holes. And it does look like it's got an upper bypass valve. It's got a fair amount of threads there. It's about, looks average. And how's this O-ring? And it comes off fairly easy. But it looks like it's got some height to it there. It's about a medium. It's got some weight to it. It's not, it's not really light. It's not really heavy. I have no specs on this oil filter. I couldn't find anything. So whatever we see is what we see, what we get. Well, I say we open this baby up and see what she looks like inside. Okay, let's start with her weight. And she weighs 13.4 ounces. How about the base plate? 6.5 ounces. And here's the base plate. There's a nice amount of holes. The grooves are about average. It's about an average amount. The O-ring's nitro rubber. It's pretty much average too. It comes off a little bit easier than most. But it goes on harder than it comes off. You get your, I believe this is nitro rubber. Yeah, because it doesn't want to go back to its original shape. It kind of holds it once you twist it. Yeah, looks like nitro rubber. It's on there like that. A little loose, but not bad. Now this looks like a motorcraft design. I swear this is a motorcraft design. Looks just like it. The upper bypass valve. Metal end caps. I counted 50 pleats, and this I left in there. This was in there. I didn't touch it. Left it just the way I saw it. So it wouldn't have done any harm because it would have just been stuck in there anyways, but I figured I'd show you guys that. And this too, I saw this. I don't know if it goes all the way through. I haven't checked it, so I'm going to check it now. I don't know if oil can sneak through there. I should push that harder. I'm going to push on it harder just to make sure. I want to see if unfiltered oil could get through there. Sorry, I moved the camera a little bit. Well, it looks like it's held together down there. It should have been glued better here, though. Yeah, so I counted 50 pleats on this. It's not too bad. A little excess glue there, but that ain't bad. I like the upper bypass valve though. It's this way. Let's see. Check it out. 3.9 ounces. And stamp leaf spring, which has a very nice rainbow. This one here is pretty big. Why the hole? I don't know. I don't understand that. They don't need a hole if you got a bypass valve up above. Definitely a coil spring would be nice here. Let's get the measurements on this. This is printed on. .3, yeah. She opened up pretty easy. Can is a little, can to me feels a little thinner than most. It's the weight of the can. 2.4 ounces. And we'll get the measurements on this filter. 2.2 inches. She's a wide one though. 3.13 inches. 2.56 inches. Yeah, and when I cut this one open too, I had this distinct smell of oil. And it looks like it's stained right here with oil. They maybe put that on there for a reason so it doesn't rust. I don't know. But well, I say we open this baby up, see how long she is, and go from there. Be right back. Okay, here she is stretched out. And she's 69 inches long. Pretty long. She's zoomed out. A lot of filter media. Okay, and here's the seam. And she held together when I was cutting her open. Filter media feels fine. Feels pretty good. You know, there's a little bit like where the glue was letting go, but you know, I don't know if that would let unfiltered oil go through or not. I don't know. Probably not. You know, I kind of pulled when I was pulling on it a little bit here. I think it went all the way, but still, they should have done a better job on that. And here's the rest of it. And yeah, this looks a lot like the Motorcraft bypass valves. What do you guys think? It's got these little round things on the end plate. It looks a lot like a Motorcraft. But the Purilators usually have louvers instead of holes. I don't know. You got a nitro rubber anti-drain back valve. Inner core with holes, that's good. Stamp leaf spring, not so good. Upper bypass valve, that's good. What do you guys think about this filter? I've got some mixed feelings about it. For $6 and change, I guess it's an okay filter. Oh, I don't want to show you guys this thing. I'll try to show you up close what was inside that filter. Let me see if I can zoom this in. There you go. I don't know, some kind of little fibers. It looks like glue. Looks like glue with some fibers on it. Yeah. Whatever, it wouldn't do any harm anyways. Just figured I'd show you guys. Hey, so I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget about Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.